The weight is 2.2 kg. This is a bicolor 300 watt LED light, and this is for specially video purposes. You can do the photography as well. First of all, I am going to read some of the specs which is written on the box. The model is CL300BI. BI means the temperature is variable. AC power to 20 volt, no problem. Max input power 300 watt. Plus minus 10 watt, no problem. Don't get too much gir, okay. Max illumination 9500 lux at 1 meter without the reflector. With reflector 85,000 lux, 1 meter distance. Color temperature 3200 K to 5600 K. K means Kelvin. Okay. We'll open this one. The first thing comes here is the power cord and the remote. So what I will do, I will turn on the remote first. The battery is also included in it. Come on. Yes. If you don't listen me nicely, I will rip you apart. This is for the battery. Remote is ready. The power cord is quite long, as you can see, maybe 2 meter, I don't know, maybe minimum 2 meters should be. The next thing is tada, user manual. Just the basic user manual as it is. Should we read? The weight is 2.2 kg. This is very important. It's written only here. The power adjustment is from 0 till 100. 1 2 3 4, you can adjust it as long as you can until 100. CRI TLCI, this is the color accuracy. This is 95%. Okay, what else we have? Angle of the light is 120 degree without that reflector. The reflector you can change and you can make it up and down the angle. Finally, this is the biggest light I own. Okay, yes, very creatively they have put it all this. Okay, oh my god, wow. Ooh, wow, lovely. Wow, this one is metal. Yeah, this one is metal, and this one, the hook, this handle is not metal, it's plastic, but it looks like it's a heavy plastic. This one is also metal, this one is also metal, and as you can see here, I'll come close, this one is for the umbrella. You can put from here till here, there are two, so it will be sturdy. So the next thing here is, this is the knob. This is for the fan. Fan is up here and down here, two fans, and very nice grill is here and inside as well. Plus you have GR and channel, means group and channel button here. Okay, then this dim and CCT. So this one is also going to work to make it dim. On off button is here. Without further ado, I will turn it on. I will turn it on and show you. Yes, I think so. It's 2 meter. Let's 1 meter like this. Wait, it's more than 2 meter. 3 meter cable. Wow, 3 meter cable. Very unusual for any light. It is better to have the stand so you guys can see. And then I will tell you guys from where you can buy this light. And this light is actually not very expensive, the one like other MRN and small rig lights. Yes, we have to. Okay, so the remote is working off 50%. And by the way, the channel and group, the one you can change from here as well. So with one remote you can change and control so many lights. This is all the way 5600, it's, you can say, blue, and then all the way yellow 3200K. Now it's working only on 5%, and it's bright, it's seriously bright. I will try to, yes, change. Now I'll bring it to 30%. This is 30%. It's, you can see my light, and I can feel the heat right now. The heat is seriously increasing, because 300 watt, it's not a joke. This is 50%. As you can see, it's extremely. Now we'll go to 75%. 75%. Oh my god, it's hot. It's seriously hot. Yes, the fan is working. We'll go to 100%. Oh my god, it's hot. Wait, I cannot see. We'll turn it off. Oh my god, the remote is also very nice. And to buy this one, there is a TikTok, there is a Facebook. That page is, it's not actually paid promotion, okay. I was very curious either the light will be good or no. The light is very good, I really like it. From DMK Power, there is a page, I will put the links and you guys check out. They have so many accessories, and happy photographing. Lovely.